Now that you know how TouchChat works, it's time to customize some buttons to personalize it for your student or child. Before we get into that, let's go to the TouchChat homepage. I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. Please don't touch the homepage. The homepage has a core vocabulary that your child is learning at school. The core vocabulary is a group of commonly used words that can be combined to make multiple messages. More about that in future videos.
I want more.
You will probably want to customize the buttons in the vocabulary categories, such as the Things category. In the Things category, you will find the Food page. Most children have favorite foods, so this is a good place to start. But not so fast. Familiarize yourself with your student's page set and make sure the words aren't already there on the device. If you have a word finder button in your page set, you can use that to check and see what words are on the device. If not, you can actually make a word finder button. Before we get to modifying a button, make sure that the editing is enabled in the app. On the right side of the orange bar at the top of the page, you should see the word menu. If not, follow these steps. Press the iPad home button to exit TouchChat. Then, touch the settings icon. Scroll down until you see the TouchChat icon and press it. Tap the Allow Editing feature. It should be green if it's turned on. Press the iPad home button again to exit settings. Then press the TouchChat icon to go back to TouchChat. Let's say your student loves to eat cookies for a snack, but when we go to the snack page, there are no cookies. How do we fix it? First, go to the page where you want to add cookies. In this case, that would be the snack page. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see the word menu. Touch it. From the drop-down menu, touch Edit Page. Now you are ready to edit a button. Touch the blank button where you want to add cookie. Then touch Edit this button. A pop-up box will appear. Touch the button label box and type in the word that you want to appear on the button. In this case, the word cookie. The button message could be just cookie, or you could add a whole phrase such as, "I want a cookie, please." I'm going to keep it simple and just leave the label and the message the same. Next, touch the Pronounce Message button to make sure the message sounds right. You may have to play around with the spelling to get the app to say the word correctly. This is especially true with names of people.
Cookie.
We had a nurse at our school named Latrice, but the app kept pronouncing it Latrice. When I spelled her name L-E-T-R-E-E-C-E in the button message area, the app pronounced her name correctly.
Ultris. Ultris.
Scroll down and touch Select Image to choose a picture for your button. Then, press the magnifying glass icon in the corner to see a list of icons to go with the word cookie. Touch the one you like the best. You can also take a picture of a specific cookie that your student likes. Touch Import Images, then touch Camera. This will open the Camera app. Snap a picture of the cookies and touch Use Photo at the bottom of the screen. The photo will drop right into TouchChat. Next, you can turn on and off various features of the button. You can have the label on the top of the button or the bottom. You can use bold or italic text. You can also hide the cookie button if you're out of cookies that day by turning off the visible feature. In addition, you can change the font size, text color, button color, border and border width. These are useful features if your child has a visual impairment. Ask your speech-language pathologist or vision consultant for advice on these features. Now look at the button actions. We want the button to speak the message, so the action should be speech message. There are lots of other things this button could do. More on that at another time. Touch Save when you're all done editing your button, or if you change your mind, press Cancel. Now you can edit another button if you want. Maybe you want to add goldfish to the page too. Or, when you're all finished editing, select Done. Now your child can ask for a cookie at snack time. Easy, right? Need to know how to use other editing features, like making a new vocabulary page? Stay tuned for more videos.